Today we're going to do a little T-tap installation video. These little T-taps will come with their lights if they have halos. This is just going to be a quick walkthrough on how to tap one wire into another to share a power or ground source. So what we're going to do first is we're going to need to split this wire so that we can take one of these and clamp it on there. So we'll take this red wire, and what we're going to do is we're carefully going to find the right size slot right in there, and you're going to want to take your time. We just want to get a little tiny bit of the wire exposed without cutting the wire itself. You can see we have this little bit of wire exposed. We'll take the T-tap, put that in the little V-shaped groove you can see there, put it in there, push it in, and close it. It can be a little bit tight, so you may need to use pliers or a tool to clamp it shut. So what we'll do is make sure it clicks shut. So now we have this little slot right here, and that is where we want to connect our male spade connector. So the female connector side is done. So what we're going to quickly do is strip this other wire, the end of this wire, making sure we get it in the right spot, and boom, there we go. So we have this exposed, and now we want to put our connector on there. Perfect. We're going to crimp this with the correctly marked gauge on our crimp tool. So we'll go in there and we're going to tighten that down nice and tight. We'll put those here, put our stuff back. And so this male connector will now tap right into our female T-tap. Let's see. This one got a little bent. So we got to make sure that this is nice and centered in there. And we'll be able to get it in there. There we go. And we're all connected. So that, say, will go into your turn signals, and this is the wire that we've tapped into. So these will now share the same source of power or ground. All right, thanks for watching.